All right, good morning, everybody. We are headed back to Daytona for day 2 of the Daytona Turkey Rod Run, whatever the heck they call it.
Turkey.
We're just gonna call it Turkey Run. We're going back for Saturday. It's gonna be our last day down there. Cause I just don't think I could do 3 days or 4. Cause some people do 4. Uh, but I'm having to drive back and forth. I can't. I don't stay down there, and that's a 2-hour one-way trip. So it's burning up some gas for sure, guys. So the channel needs your support. Anyway, so we're gonna go down there, do our last day there. We're gonna have to leave early, but what?
It's a pretty day.
It looks like it's gonna be a pretty day. It's gonna be cold, though. It's gonna be real cold. Right now, it's only in the 30s up here in Jacksonville. But it's always windy down there. It's weird. But yeah, so we got to leave early today after we do our club lunch cookout. So it's going to be a shorter day, so we're not going to have as much to work with, but we're still going to have plenty to work with. Don't worry about that. So stay tuned. We're going to drive on down there, and we'll take a lot of video, and we'll show you what we get. So stay tuned.
Oh, okay. There's your other Mustang car.
I am moving on up.
Okay. This one ain't letting me in. That one might.
They're going to have to. I'm sticking my nose in there. Make a hole.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get hot today.
No.
Because that wind is still up.
Yeah. Left the key in theirs.
Yep. Feet on the front wheel.
Yeah.
Morning.
Ooh, that's kind of windy, and it is cold. Maybe I'll roll my window up. Yeah.
I think we'll just put the Callahan Cruisers flag up today.
Okay.
One less thing to have to fool with when we got to take it all down.
All right.
Load it back up.
Well, that ain't no big deal putting in the flag still.
Whatever then. We're going to do the outside gate today, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay.
Put that up there.
I'll have to find somewhere to pull over. Because I'd imagine it's already pretty stacked in there.
Yeah, so you don't want it this gate, you want it at the other gate.
Yeah, the small gate.
Yeah.
But I guess on the side where they didn't have cars yesterday.
Yeah.
Because you know it's going to be as bad or worse today. Once we do that, I'm going to have to hit the bathroom.
Yeah. What makes that truck custom?
Damn if I know. They paid their fees, all I can tell you.
Yeah.
Oh, he's here today.
Who?
The brown truck.
Yeah.
What do you think? Just pull over there again?
Yeah, well, pull over here. Nobody's wanting to turn down that road anyway.
Alright.
And you want it on the outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll just pull up right here by this red car.
Alright. Right through there. Yeah.
Because I have to pee.
Yeah, I do too, dear.
So, we're going to pull right up where we pulled up yesterday.
Okay. He's gonna walk?
Apparently.
Yeah. Now, you could not pay me to want to do that today.
What?
It's too cold. Right around the damn track in an open scooter.
Yeah, nah.
No. Think if I was you, I'd have went up that way so you could have got more cars.
Yeah, well.
Yeah.
You know what the problem with that is?
What?
That's the intersection where everybody's turning.
Yeah. I'm seeing a lot of zoomies.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. You got to go around him, son.
Mom.
What? Oh, thought he was turning.
I knew better.
Get on your side of the road, old fart.
See, that's the shit I gotta edit.
Leave it. They might think it's funny.
That'll be my daily reminder for the
Yeah.
car show.
Yeah. Nothing coming this way.
Watch and see where he's going.
See, we came out of the bathroom to that yesterday.
Yeah.
How is he? Go on down the next. We stop here at the corner.
We'll park where we were parked yesterday,
Yeah, might as well.
because they're still here.
Yeah, it's close enough to the tents. Unless you want to go on the other side of them.
No, I'm perfectly fine with where we were yesterday.
Okay. But just turn in here and come out.
Yep. Should I get closer or not?
Yeah. Look. Like the one that they put in the car.
I like the little. John, this reminds me of one of those old train engines. The way the top looks.
Yeah.
See, maybe it does look like a train engine where that covers the engine.
Yeah. This is
They kind of like a flame switch, like shows them all the safety parts.
Always get a better picture of the console from the passenger side.
I'll be back in a minute.
Alright.
I had an idea for a shot.
Okay. Whoop.
All right, guys, I want you to see something. I'm at Daytona again for day 2. It's actually sunshiny, beautiful here, but cold. Oh man, is it cold? Anyway, I'm going to show you something really cool. Okay, I'm in the club parking section at Daytona, and I want to show you the Callahan Cruiser section that I'm part of. All right, you see this island right here? All these cars on this island of green, and down this left-hand side, most of the way, are Callahan Cruisers. We think we have the biggest car club here at this event because there ain't no other car club got a whole island to themselves. In fact, we still got people coming in, so there'll be more video to come. But I just thought it was kind of cool. You can look down there all the way to the fence, and it's all Callahan Cruisers on this green island here, and half or better of this left-hand side.
The 3-seater. You're fine.
That's actually where their system has talking about it. That's
I know.
Steady, steady, steady. Smile for the camera, Josh. You're the model. Oh, you're on candid camera.
That is,
Oh, sorry.
that's okay. Neat idea.
Remember the white car when you looked at the bucket, you said that is the white car.
I kind of feel bad when I'm hanging out with Buddy, but like, he's doing his own
So nice to have.
So it's got a white roof.
Yeah, the other is South Carolina, but then the other fellas, he's like the new kid.
I mean, if you guys did it in another boat, it's sticky so easy.
Alright guys, we're out here with the Callahan Cruisers. We're serving up lunch today for our club members. Part of our membership dues goes to fund our cookout on Turkey Run Saturday. So we got the whole shebang set up out here. We got grills, we got hot dogs, hamburgers, pulled pork, all kind of stuff out here. Potato salad. It's all out here. Let me flip the camera around and I'll show you. Yeah, they got the club members cooking up on the grill. Look at them going at it. And we got pulled pork there. We got some other stuff. We got baked beans, potato salad. Then we got some desserts down there. Just it's kind of a tradition for the club whenever we come down to Daytona to cook out on Saturday and feed to all the club members.
It's more crowded probably this way, but
There's cars parked in the damn inn down there.
no, there wasn't. They were gone.
Oh, they moved them all.
Yeah. You have to send Gordy the video. Hey, they finally hung out the flag.
It was hung out already.
Was it?
Yeah.
That's an odd one.
Yeah.
Got it. Someone to knock the sign off that pole.
Well, it's just zip tied on.
Yeah. Shouldn't have that many different cars in there. Watch out for this. He's dangerous.
Mm-hmm.
Be able to get out through here?
Eventually.
Run into idiot there.
That was just because my truck's too damn quiet.
Do you want to go that way?
That's a dead end that comes right back out here.
Oh. Not a good place for all these damn vendors. Watch out for the handicapped person there.
No one's back talking.
Just take a...
Go Gators.
Go
Gators.
Gators! Where's the wrench at?
Down the side of the bag, whichever side you can
There
find
it is.
on.
Yeah, we saw the three. I think it's a 351. So they were joking around. They're like, "Oh,
Getting kind of narrow here.
No shit.
They ain't helping matters. Gathering their damn trash.
But you realize they have to gather the trash there
Yeah,
multiple times during this damn event.
yeah. Now that would make me mad. Those two driving down the road holding up that truck. Oh hell, there's a truck parked by the fence again.
That's why it's on the very edge of the fence. Isn't it?
Yeah?
I'm gonna have to pull up over here again.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'll just pull up by this damn Mustang
Okay.
here.
Let's put it back in there. Look at all the old cars parked out here too.
Yeah. They ran out of space.
Yeah. I don't doubt it.
My guts are finally settling down. Well, ain't nobody coming in now.
Mm-mm.
It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so that's why. Oh,
What?
event reminder about the tailgate tonight.
How we're making it.
Oh, I knew we weren't making it. Oh, now ain't no way my truck's got a tighter turning radius than that Mustang.
Yeah. Maybe they just don't know how to drive.
Maybe.
Waiting to get in?
Looks to be.
Yep. Yeah, cars lined up in there.
Mm-hmm. At least they got somebody out here directing traffic.
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, so we just left Daytona. We are headed back to Jacksonville, headed back home. The turkey run was something else this year. I'm gonna tell you, they had cars stacked everywhere. I mean, absolutely anywhere they could park a car, they were charging them and parking them there. I don't know that I'd pay $80 for some of the spots people was parked in. I'll be honest with you. Yeah, it was a great event. We had our Callahan Cruisers cookout today. That's our car club does a cookout at Turkey Run to thank everybody for being club members and whatnot. Saw lots of awesome cars. Took lots of video, lots of video. I have no idea when I'm actually going to get all this video edited. It could take me all month for December, but I hope not. I hope to have it done within the standard week and a half. No guarantees though. So channel news: we are at 164 subscribers. It's awesome. It's great. I love every one of my subscribers. I was running into subscribers at Daytona. That's something else right there. When you're walking into to a place at Daytona at the car show and hey, it's a dashboard. You're starting to get to going on the famous part. I'm low-key famous. How about that? Anyway, so if you got people that you know that are into cars or into car shows or any of that stuff, share these videos. It all comes down to you guys sharing these videos. Share them, get them to subscribe, like, comment, do all the things that tickle the algorithms pickle on YouTube. So we can get to 500 and we can go to bigger and better events every year. This is the biggest of the year for us. So that's why we went for 2 days. So yeah, it's great. Channel's doing good. You guys are making it happen for me. I really appreciate that. So we're going to keep on doing it. We're going to keep on going. We're going to keep on going to as many car shows as we can, as many as we can possibly get to. We still got a few left in the year. They could be small, but they could be big. We got car shows coming up. We got one next Saturday at the USS Orlick in downtown Jacksonville. It's from 10 to 2, I think. Should be a good show. It's put on by the Corvette Club and the Pontiac Club of Jacksonville or whatever. Can't quote that one, but anyway. If you're in the area and you want to come out and see a car show and a big old ship, come out and see us. We'll be there. We'll be around. So, thank you guys. Be excellent. See you next time. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.